Kaya tinitingnan ko, debt, people in debt, parang hindi makalabas sa utang, it's more because of a habit. So, debt interest and payments drastically reduce your take-home pay. For example, how much is your salary? Less. If mga standard deductions, ACCs, Pag-ibig, Co-op loan, at saka kung may personal debts ka, nako, magkano na lang naiwan sa pamilya. Kaya maraming na talagang ang sweldo is 40,000 pero ang take-home pay mga 5,000 na lang. Kawawa naman, di ba? Itingnan mo, lalo na if personal loan, interest rate is on the average, no, usually 5% a month or 60% per year. For example, may utang ka ng 50,000, ang kaya mong bayaran is interest lang. 60% of 50,000 is 30,000. So talagang iwasan talaga natin. Kaya tinitingnan ko, debt, people in debt, parang hindi makalabas sa utang, it's more because of a habit.